How to manifest fast. Speed up your manifestation 10 times faster. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. On this channel, we believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you absolutely depend upon. We're talking about manifestation and manifestation fast. 10 times faster. Okay, are you ready? Number one, you must have absolute clarity. If you say to the universe, well, I kind of want this, but I also want that, and I'm not sure about this, then whatever it is that will manifest, it's going to be very slow. So if you want to manifest fast, you have to be absolutely clear. And the way you get clear is you write it down. My intention is to manifest. Boom, you write it out. That's your intention, and it's clear. And don't make it vague. My intention is to be loved. My intention is to be loved in a happy relationship with the woman I love, for the rest of my life, that kind of thing. Get specific with whatever it is that you desire to manifest. And always, always leave a little room for the universe to make it a little bit better than you expect. In other words, one time I went out to manifest a Jaguar, and as I was manifesting this Jaguar, I ended up with a Mercedes. But the Mercedes was much better than the Jaguar, trust me. Okay, that's how it works. The universe will sometimes add to the ante, as they call it. Okay, now, as you've written out your intention, you're very, very clear. Then rewrite it in present tense. So I am creating, I am manifesting, this is what's coming into my life, and then make it in present tense. I am, I have, it is. And that becomes your affirmation. That becomes your new belief. And when you have that kind of belief in your subconscious mind, you can't help but manifest 10, 20, 30 times faster. High flyers, challenge your doubts. Number two. In other words, look, if you have doubts, if you have fears, if you have limiting beliefs, you need to write them down. And then you argue with them. You debate them, why they don't make sense, why they don't have any power, why they're useless. And then you adopt new, resourceful, positive thoughts. And those are the thoughts that you choose to think throughout the day. Okay? It's kind of a Gestalt type of exercise, but it absolutely works. High flyers, one of the big mistakes people make is they go out and tell everyone. And they go tell their family. They go, guess what? I'm going to do this. And the family's going, oh, that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. And pretty soon, grandma's praying every night that you don't do it. You see, you get people working against you. You get their energy, their vibration, their intention working in the opposite direction. So your friends, your family, most of the time are not going to be your best supporters. I'm not saying they can't be, but a lot of the time they won't be. So it's important for you to be very selective with who you share your dreams and your goals with. High flyers, before bedtime, it's absolutely essential that you meditate and visualize in present tense. I like to lay on my back and put my hands over my heart like so. And as I'm laying in this position, I'm feeling the energy of excitement, of enthusiasm coming off of my heart center. And I'm feeling this energy pulsating through my body as I visualize the life that I desire. Visualize it every night before you fall asleep. And you will carry that into your subconscious mind. And remember, high flyers, your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the universe, to the infinite field of potential. We don't pray with our words, we pray with our beliefs. So high flyers, everything in the universe, not just other people, but everything in your universe is you pushed out. I know, sounds a little crazy, but if it's not you, who is it? Think about that. So focus within to change things without, which means no jealousy, no envy. Okay, you can look at the guy next door and he's got a big, beautiful car and you've got an old bicycle and you go, oh, I feel kind of jealous. That energy slows down your manifestation. You want to focus within, okay? And you want to see the reality that you are creating and feel it within your center. Why is it that I believe that the best I can do is an old bicycle? Why do I have that belief? Does that belief serve me anymore? Does it do me any good? No, it doesn't. So then you change the belief and you create a new belief. I believe that I should be driving a Cadillac or a BMW or a Jeep or whatever it is that you want to drive. Get the point? You change your beliefs. You work from the inside out rather than from the outside in. Oh, I just feel something about to happen. I feel something about to change in your life. I mean that because you are about to take inspired action. There's something you've been putting off. There's something you've been wanting to do. There's something you've been wanting to say. I feel it. I know it's real. I'm absolutely certain of it. And that's the key. Number 6, take inspired action. If you, now, not any action, come on. Actions that are based out of fear and doubt and worry and anxiety, neediness, those actions don't tend to pay off. But actions that are based out of inspiration. I just feel inspired. I feel excited. I've got to do this. I've got to try this. I know it's dangerous, but I'm the one. You see, inspired actions bring about incredible manifestation 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times faster. Well, high flyers, I absolutely love gratitude, but I love future gratitude. In other words, look at the things that you are manifesting in your world and be thankful for them already. Be thankful for the life that you have. You're not even living it yet, but be thankful for it. Because once you do that, you've set up a vibrational frequency, a connection with the universe. And the universe matches that gratitude. And you receive exactly what you're already thankful for. And of course, number 8 on my list, get ready to receive. You see, so many people, they have these plans. They write down these books. They have these diaries. They have vision boards. But they're not ready to receive. You need to put yourself in a position to begin receiving right now. Why? Because you deserve it. You deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend upon. Hey, visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Absolutely free. Hey, here's some other videos that will help you on your journey.